Hey there. In this video, I'll show you how to retrieve an image URL on Squarespace step by step. First, you need to access your asset library. From your Squarespace dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on the website menu item. Then click on Assets. You'll see a library of all the images you've ever uploaded to your Squarespace site appear. Now you need to locate the specific image you want the URL for. The asset library displays your images as thumbnails in a grid layout in the main content area. Scroll through until you find the image you need, or if you have a lot of images, use the available filters to narrow things down. Once you've found your image, click on the square option icon that's associated with that image thumbnail. When you click it, you should see a menu appear. From that menu, choose File Details. This opens up a detail panel showing the image in a larger size. Opening it through File Details lets you access the image in its original full resolution. Now comes the actual URL copy step. With the image open in the detail panel, right-click directly on the image itself. Your browser's context menu will appear. The exact wording here depends on which browser you're using. In Chrome, you'll see Copy Image Address. In Firefox or Safari, it'll say Copy Image Link. Click whichever option your browser shows. The URL is now copied to your clipboard. You won't see a confirmation pop-up or anything, but the URL is there and ready to paste. A couple of useful things to know: the URL you just copied is a static link that usually starts with static1.squarespace.com or images.squarespace-cdn.com. You can modify this URL with parameters to serve different image sizes. For example, if you add $format equals 1000W to the end of the URL, it'll serve a 1000 pixel wide version of the image. Squarespace supports several width variants, including 100W, 300W, 500W, 750W, 1500W, and 2500W. This is handy if you need to optimize image sizes for different uses. You can now paste this URL wherever you need it: custom code blocks, external links, or anywhere else you need to reference that image directly. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.